Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and product recommendations. Today, we're taking a closer look at the wireless digital microscope handheld USB HD inspection camera. This incredible device offers 50x-1000x magnification, making it perfect for a wide range of uses. Whether you're a student, a teacher, a nature enthusiast, or just someone with a curious mind, this microscope is sure to impress. With 2 million pixels and 1080p HD picture quality for smartphone and 720p for computer, you'll be able to see the microscopic world in stunning detail. Plus, the built-in 8 dimmable LEDs provide ample illuminance for clear images. Any of the best features of this microscope is its portability. It's easy to carry and rechargeable, making it perfect for outdoor use. And with compatibility with a range of devices including iPhone, iPad, Samsung Galaxy, Android, Mac, and Windows computers, you'll never be without this handy tool. But that's not all. This isn't just a microscope. It also functions as a camera, allowing you to take photos and record videos of your discoveries. The ability to document plant phases and explore the microscopic world has never been easier. Whether you're using it with your phone via Wi-Fi or with your computer via USB, this microscope is incredibly easy to use. And with the included stand and base, you'll have everything you need to get started right away. So, if you're ready to take your exploration to the next level, be sure to check out the wireless digital microscope handheld USB HD inspection camera. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more exciting reviews and product recommendations here on our channel. See you next time.